Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Phantom Wallet stop working right after your iPhone updated to a new iOS version? This is one of the most common wallet problems after every Apple update. Here's the fix. First, restart your phone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down button at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. iOS updates sometimes cause temporary conflicts with apps, and a fresh restart clears most of them immediately. After restarting, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll down and look for Phantom in the list of available updates. Phantom releases compatibility updates quickly after a major iOS release. Tap Update immediately if you see it. If there is no update available yet and Phantom is still broken, go to your Settings app, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you see Phantom app in the list. Once you see it, click on it and then tap Offload app. Once offloaded, go to the App Store and reinstall the app fresh from the App Store. So all you've got to do is restart iPhone, check App Store for Phantom update, offload and reinstall if it's still broken. Phantom will be working on new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.